All right, now we're doing 8Q convert a number to reversed array of digits. This is by Emporio. 91% of the people like it. We're going to convert a number to reversed array of digits. Given a random non-negative number, we have to return the digits of this number within an array in reverse order. So here's the numbers, and here it is in reverse order in an array. All right. So my first intuition would be to say return, and then go in dot split since we need it in an array. All right. And then also we need to reverse it, so reverse. All right, so here's split right now if you don't know. Dot split method divides a string into an ordered list of substrings, puts these substrings into an array, and returns the array. The division is done by searching for a pattern where the pattern is provided as the first parameter in the method's call, right? So you split it by spaces. So this is split by spaces, and it's calling for words 3. This is words in 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, and it comes out fox and blah, blah, blah. You get hopefully you get it. And then we've also got this array.prototype.reverse, and that method reverses an array in place, and the first array element becomes the last, and the last array element becomes the first, thus. So where are we? Where's something reverse? Array.1 reverse. Where's array.1? Right here, reverse. 3, 2, 1. Oh, let's see. 3, 2, 1, just like it said. All right. So let's see what happens when we do that. Nothing. Why? Because this is a number to start off with, so we can't really split it unless it's a string. So what I'm going to do is wrap this, in a parentheses and turn it into a string. Let's see what happens. All right, we're getting somewhere. Now it's this, but it needs to be this. So we need to get rid of these strings. Make them into numbers. So to make it into numbers, what do we got to do? Well, oh, and also here's this string. To do this string right here, we just use the string constructor. It just turns anything into a string if you just throw a capital S string in front of it. Well, what we got to do is we're going to have to use map, because we have to go through every piece, every element in this array and change it into a number from a string. So we're going to have to use map. And here's array.prototype.map. The map method creates a new array populated with the results of calling a provided function on every element in the calling array. So in this case right here, array.1, here's array.1, .map x, arrow function x times 2. So every one of these, so this 1 is going to be 1 times 2 is going to equal 2. 4 times 2 is going to equal 8. 9 times 2, 18, 16 times 2, 32. So you can see that's what we're going to try to do when we're going to try to turn these strings into numbers. So let's do dot map, and we're going to have the x arrow function. What do we want? We want number x. Let's see if that works. That works good. So we're going to use the number constructor on that, and it makes basically just like string. You put capital N number in front of it, and it turns it into a number. But at the same time, I didn't know that you could just, inside this map, all you have to do is say number. Let me show you. And it works just fine. So here it is. Let's attempt it. Boom. I don't know why that's a property, but for some reason that works. And there we go. So let's submit it. All right. Looks good. Let's go for my solutions. Looks like 438 of us plus plus these people. Best practice, I do believe. Very like. And we'll see you next time.